The EOS Extraoral Dental Suction System UV Light Replacement Guidelines. Loosen up the screws on the door panel. Then remove the door panel. Press to unlock the snap buttons on the top of the drawer cabinet. Then turn the case around and remove the door panel from the other side. Then press to unlock the snap buttons on the top of the drawer cabinet on the other side. Then hang the cover plate over the handle. Press to unlock the snap buttons on the bottom of the drawer cabinet on both sides. Take out the fine filter from the drawer. Then loosen the screws by hand. Pull out the electric wires. Move out the filter box. Make sure to wear proper eye protection and wear gloves at all times. Please read carefully about the warning sticker first. Turn over the filter box and make sure not to damage the face of the HEPA filter. Now you are ready to replace the broken UVC light. Turn to remove the UVC light tube. Turn the contact line is up and then take it out. Use a standard garbage bag to dispose of the UVC light. Then dispose of the used UVC light as medical waste. Now replace the UVC light with a new one. Turn to make sure the contact line is up before inserting the UVC lamp into the hole. Then tighten up the screws by hand. Connect to the power and turn on the equipment. Turn over the filter box after UVC light replacement. Replace the fine filter into the drawer. Then replace the filter box. Press to lock the two snap buttons on the bottom of the filter box. Put the electric wires in tidy. Tighten up the screws by hand. Put the electric wires in tidy. Replace the cover plate. Press to lock the two snap buttons on the top of the drawer cabinet. Then reinstall the door panel. Then turn the case around and reinstall the remaining panel. For more information on the latest dental technology, you can visit us at our website or follow us on our YouTube channel.